So we're somewhere in California. It's Adventure Man Productions. And the girls are going out for a horse ride. This Adventure Man Productions, 3,000 movies on YouTube in 30 countries. Dream as though you live forever, live as though you die today. Happy trails until we meet again. Time to go catch some crabs. Over there by the big rock. And the salmon are running about 2 miles out. You get 30-pound salmon. And they get Indian reservations up and down the coastline. There's Indian reservations. They already got herds of elk over here in the bushes. Get the old man in the sea coming up. And the girls are gonna ride up and down the beach there. Got a rodeo in town this weekend. So this is Adventure Man Productions signing off from somewhere in California. Y'all come back now here.